Okay, so good evening class. Today we will continue with pricing and distribution channels. In the last class I think we have started and completed the objectives, I guess, right? Significance of pricing we have completed, correct? So আমরা প্রাইজিং এর সিগনিফিকেন্স অফ দি কমপ্লিট করেছিলাম, যেখানে আমরা প্রাইস কার উপরে ডিপেন্ড করে, প্রাইস কাকে বলে, এগুলো সব জেনেছিলাম। আর নেক্সট আমরা কি করেছিলাম, লাস্ট ছিল হচ্ছে টুল ফর সেলস প্রমোশন, কারেক্ট? কাউন্টারিং কম্পিটিশন অ্যান্ড অল এভরিথিং। তো সিগনিফিকেন্স অফ প্রাইসিংয়ে কী ছিল? রিটার্ন, আমার প্রফিট ডিটারমাইন করতে হেল্প করে প্রাইস। আর প্রাইস কাকে বলে? প্রাইস হচ্ছে কি সাম অফ দি ভ্যালুজ। না, হোয়াট আর দিস ভ্যালুজ? দ্য নিড, দ্য ওয়ান্ট, দ্য ডিমান্ড। Based on these three, the value could be determined and we determine price. তাই পড়েছিলাম। আর সিগনিফিকেন্স অফ প্রাইসিং এ কি ছিল? আমার প্রফিট ডিটারমাইন করতে সাহায্য করে। ইট হেল্পস টু ডিটারমাইন প্রফিট, ইট হেল্পস টু ডিটারমাইন মাই ডিমান্ড, মাই সেলস ভলিউম, মাই মার্কেট শেয়ার। ওকে, ইট হেল্পস ইন what? It helps in countering competition. Obviously price helps in what? Countering competition. Builds a product image and also it's a tool for sales promotion. বাস এই অবধি হয়েছিল। So today we will continue with factors affecting the price of a product. কোন ফ্যাক্টর প্রাইসের ওপরে, মানে প্রাইসকে ডিটারমাইন করে, প্রাইসের ওপরে এফেক্ট ফেলে, কোন ফ্যাক্টরস, কারেক্ট? তো ফার্স্ট দেখবি আমার নোট সেটে চার্ট দেওয়া আছে। ফার্স্ট চার্টে বলা হচ্ছে মার্কেটিং অবজেক্টিভস। অবভিয়াসলি আমার মার্কেটিংয়ের যেটা অবজেক্টিভ, আমি যেই অবজেক্টিভ নিয়ে মার্কেটে নেমেছি, সেটা আমার প্রাইসের ওপরে একটা বিশাল ইম্প্যাক্ট ফেলবে। ইয়েস অর নো? দ্য অবজেক্টিভস with which I have entered into the market is a very important factor that will determine my price. Yes or no? Suppose অনেকে কলেজে আসছে, তাদের কি, বা যারা পড়াশোনা করছে এখন কারেন্টলি দে আর স্টাডিং, মানে তোদের এক একজনের এক এক রকম এম। Why you all are studying? Just because you have to study, that's why? হ্যাঁ, অনেকের এটাই যে just because I have to study and have a graduation degree and then I will do whatever I wish. That's a thing, okay, fine. Again, few have the wish or goal in life that they have to achieve something bigger. তাই না? কেউ ভাবছিস আমি সিএ করবো, কেউ ভাবছিস আমি সিএমএ তে যাবো, কেউ ভাবছিস গভর্নমেন্ট সার্ভিস করবো, কেউ ভাবছিস ব্যাংকে যাবো। So that's why you all are studying. You all have some objective. And what is the price? What is the impact? What is the impact of this goal? Is how much efforts that you are putting into your study, correct? Similarly, in a market, when marketers enter into a market, they come with a certain objective, and this objective determines the price of the product. Based on these objectives, the marketer determines the price. So what are such objectives? Objectives? Number one, so we are talking about what are the factors, okay? Talking about the factors. So what are the objectives? Number one objective is what? If the marketer's objective is survival, if the marketer just wants to survive in this market area, the marketer is afraid of being thrown out. Why the market is afraid of being thrown out? Because as days are passing, competitors are increasing. So everyone's position in this market is at a stake. So this marketer's strategy is what? To survive in the market, to stay in the market, at least to continue breathing. That's it. I don't want to just die. I want to breathe. So if survival is the strategy of the marketer, আমি থাকতে চাই, আমি সার্ভাইভ করতে চাই, I just want to breathe, I just want to be in the market, I don't want to get thrown out from the market, then what do you think? What will be the price? High or low? Of course it will be low. Because if the marketer wants to survive, the marketer cannot keep a high price, because beside that marketer there are several other marketers who is charging low price. Now if the marketer suddenly increases the price, nobody will approach this marketer, and slowly this marketer have to be thrown out from this market. So the marketer's target is, if the marketer's target is survival in the market, then what The price should be low. What? Price should be low. Again, if the marketer's target is to capture a substantial portion in the market, we talked about this substantial portion in the first class only. So if the every marketer have their own portion in the market. Now this marketer wants to capture this position also, a substantial position, a big position, a good position in the market. Capturing a substantial position in the market means not the area or the space of the market. It means the customers. The marketer wants to grab the customers of this persons also, this marketers also. He wants to have it all. That means the substantial area of the market. It doesn't mean the area. Not this area circumference I'm talking about, or this area I'm talking about. Correct? I'm talking about what? I'm talking about the market share that the marketer is gaining. Out of, suppose in this market there are 100 customers. The marketer previously used to have 10 customers, but now the marketer's target is what? To capture 10 customer of this marketer, 10 of this and 10 of this. Means more 30 customers. Means 40. So this will increase the market share 40 out of 100. Correct? So if survival, or if capturing a substantial position in the market share, means in the market, capturing a substantial position in the market or capturing a substantial market share, if this is the objective, then what will be the price? Price will be again low, because only low price can attract the consumers, because here everybody is at more or less selling the product at same price or low price. So only way of attraction is keeping the price low. Okay. Next, prevent competitors from entering into the market. If your objective is to stop, means here suppose in this market there are suppose 10 marketers, 10 or 20 marketers suppose here. Now their objective or their joint objective is that I won't allow any outsider to enter this market, because they all are happy family, they are sharing, they are having everything. But now if newer persons enter into the market, then their share will automatically reduce, because out of 100 again there will be division. Now there is 20 division. But again if newer people, again if new 5 marketers enter into the market, there will be 25 division of 100. Correct? There will be 25 division of 100. So what is happening? So if the marketers do not want to allow competitors to enter into the market, then also the marketer's target should be what? To keep the price low. To keep the price low. Are you getting my point? So if survival is your strategy in this day, in this competition, if you just want to survive, then what you should do? Keep your price low. If you want to capture the substantial market share, if you want to capture what? If you want to capture substantial market share, you want to capture what? Substantial market share. So if you want to capture substantial market share, then what should be your strategy? Your strategy should be what? To keep the price low. Again, if you do not want competitors to enter into the market, because already here there is 20 marketers suppose. So this 100 customers is being divided among these 20 marketers. Now if again 5 marketers enter into the market, then this 100 will be divided among 25. If so happens, then what happens? The existing 20 marketers is at loss. So if you want to stop that, keep your price low. Because at a minimum price, it is not possible for a newer marketer to enter into the market. Because to stabilize the price at a minimum, it requires time, because we all know as the your production will increase, you can gain a price which is minimum. If you are just producing 5 items, you cannot keep a minimum price for that 5 items. But instead, if you are producing 100 items, you could stabilize the price of a minimum price. Correct? আমরা যখন একটা জিনিস কিনি আমাকে ফুল প্রাইস দিতে হয়, সেটাই যদি আমি 100টা জিনিস কিনি, ইকোনমিজ অফ স্কেল, সেটাই যদি আমি 100টা জিনিস কিনি, ওই ফুল প্রাইস সাপোজ 5 টাকার বদলে সেটাকে আমার 4 টাকা দিতে হচ্ছে বা 3 টাকা দিতে হচ্ছে। সো মোর ইয়োর প্রোডাকশন, the minimal price that you can charge. because you are enjoying economies of scale. For producing 5 products, you cannot enjoy economies of scale. It will cost you more. So for the newer marketer, just after entering only, to charge a lower price is very difficult. After entering the market, it's very difficult for a newer marketer. Yes, situation you can ask, ma'am, it might so happen that these marketers are rich, they have a huge capital and they could charge and face the loss, beginning loss. If this happens, yes, there is a chance, of course, but nobody at the beginning will want to suffer loss, correct? Everybody will want a little amount of profit, at least to cover the fixed costs. So just to stop the marketers from entering to the market, keep the price low. And then last, if your product is on high demand, of course the product can be on high demand. There are products which have huge demand, and what we see is whenever the product is having a high demand, the price is high, because that is the only scope when you can charge high price. That is the only scope when you can charge high price. Yes or no? That is the only scope when you can charge high price. Otherwise, it's not possible. Because if your product is a little different, if your product have certain characteristics which no other products have, then only it's possible for you to charge a high price for that product. And if your product is on demand, if the customers are wanting such product, you will always see that highly demanded products have high price. The products which we demand the most, we have to pay a good amount for that product, because people are wanting that product. Okay, so first is first factor is marketing objectives. So what are the marketing objectives we studied? Survival, capturing a substantial market share, prevent competitors from entering into the market, and next is product. If your product is on high demand, আমার প্রোডাক্টটা প্রচুর ডিমান্ডে রয়েছে, আমার টার্গেট হচ্ছে আমি মার্কেটে অন্য কোনো কম্পিটিটর ঢুকতে দেব না। আমার টার্গেট হচ্ছে আমি মার্কেট শেয়ারে সাবস্টেন্সিয়াল পোর্শন আমার কাছে থাকবে। আমার টার্গেট হচ্ছে আমি সার্ভাইভ করতে চাই। So what will be your pricing strategy? For the first 3 it will be low, and for if the product is on high demand, it will be high price. Correct? Okay.